Hi, welcome to the new video. I am Rohit Desai, co-founder of JB Experts. In this video, we are going to understand the difference or the importance of skill versus knowledge. So, in this video, especially people who think, who just keep thinking, or it's versus like, okay, think versus do, something like that. So people who attend a lot of webinars, who watch videos on YouTube, gather knowledge on import-export business from various years, not like they are not just started, they watched one or two videos. It's not like that. They spent almost a year or two just thinking, saying that, okay, I'll be an exporter, I'll be doing this, I'll be doing that, I'll build fortune, I'll import this, I'll export that, I'll make huge money, I'll be growing my business, all of it. But they have not even moved a step ahead. Is only the reason is they have not taken any actions. See what happens here is the thought process here is how do you think as an exporter or any entrepreneur? It's not about what you know. It's about it's all about what you do. So I think I need to send 1,000 emails instead of sending thinking of 1,000 emails. Send 5 emails. That should be fine. So starting small has never been a problem, but the problem here is not starting. So many times I always say this on my webinars and all of it. It's something like people know about lot many stuffs. They keep asking me about products. So whether this product is profitable or whether that product is profitable, will that give me enough of margins or this product is good enough or not? See, every product is good, but the problem here is you should be aware of what the product you are capable to understand, you are able to digest, because every product has its own potentials. It has its own advantages and disadvantages. There is no product says like, okay, everything is advantaged. No, there are some disadvantages to every product. It could be the shelf life may be high, shelf life may be low, the capital may be high, sort of it. So there are hundreds of reasons. So the thing here is, whenever you're starting, when you are into entering into export import business, the dream what you carry through, or the daydreamers normally what they think is like, okay, the export import business, I just need to um, let me learn something from YouTube. I'll start my business, I'll grow it, I'll make it. So yeah, it's possible, but the thing here is people, the energy what they have, the love or the affection what they have at the beginning, that will not last. So that's something like they think of it and they keep thinking. They say like, okay, let me get that ready, this ready. They have thousands of reasons for it, for not doing or not executing it. So they get knowledges from various institutes. So I have seen many people who have completed, they have multiple certifications. I have seen their certifications on their websites from at least more than 7 institutes in India, right? So who provides you the trainings and courses on import export business, including ours. So what the people have done is they have taken courses and everything from more than 7 to 8 institutes, but still they have not even moved one container out, or not even a sample container. No, I'm not even talking about containers. I'm not even saying. I'm just saying not even a single small sample box. The only reason here is people think a lot. People just think, they take information, they hatch eggs on it. They don't really execute anything. So the problem here is with the mindset of Indian entrepreneurs or Indian exporters is for not succeeding is like they're not doing anything about it. They know there are hundreds of products that's available in market. It could be millets, it could be oil, it could be gas, or it could be anything. So you can name 1,000 plus industries, lakhs of products. Everything is available. But the problem here is people are not aware of it, or people don't want to get into it. They want to be staying lazy. They want to just think about it. They don't want to do anything about it, and they are more hesitated towards calling the clients. See, what happens here is the most important thing for business is the money, the positive cash flow. And the positive cash flow doesn't come from investors, it has to come from clients. So if many companies think they don't need to call clients, or people hesitate to call clients, even the suppliers, they hesitate to call suppliers also. It's not just about, okay, for example, if I to tell you, one of my client had a hesitations towards calling the sourcing partner. So calling a sourcing partner when you need to pay, you're hesitating. Fine, got it. but you're hesitating again to call to the buyer also. So either the buyer should hesitate or the seller should hesitate. But in your case, you are hesitating to both the ends. You're paying to the supplier, even for that you are hesitating, and in the same time you are hesitating towards getting the call from the supplier or calling the buyer. Both are the same issues. The thing here is, it's not about the buyer or the seller. It's all about your thought process, how you think when you are entering into the business. You want to build a business or no? That is something which you need to decide right today, because I have seen people wasting time thinking of doing that, but not doing anything about it. There are, in today's world, if I have to tell you, knowledge has never been a problem. In olden days, there was no access to internet, very limited resources, all of it, I understand. But in today's world, just take out your phone, watch any YouTube channels respected to import export business. You will get hundreds of videos who trains on different things, different strategies, including our own YouTube channel. You can check every articles on it or every video on it. You can read out about it. There are hundreds of articles published from printing houses, so you can check each and everything. And moreover, Indian uh, government supports are huge. You can go through any APC websites, understand the requirement, the designs, the demand, the supply, the sourcing, the pricing, all of it. Everything is available, including the packing material, packing suppliers, packing material suppliers, certifications. Everything is rightly written there. So it's just about like opening the right website at right time and understanding the right information. Based on that information, acting on it, building a skill set on it, and building the business. That's all what it takes. So people still think saying that, okay, so just take a general example. I don't want to bore you with it. Just take a general example. I'll buy a book which is like how to ride a motorcycle. So I know about engine. I read about engine. I read about clutches. I read about brakes, oils, air, tubeless tires, everything. I know everything about the bikes now, like what you call the motorcycles. You can take the exam also. I'll be passing it with a good marks. But the thing here is, will I be able to ride the bike? That's the question. I know about motorcycle. That's a different thing. But am I able to ride the motorcycle? Can I reach from point A to point B? Not happening. So in that case, what is that your knowledge is all about? When you don't use the knowledge to practical applications and try doing it, you'll not move. The same thing is happening with your business. You know hundreds of knowledge, hundreds of informations coming from various points. You know everything, but you're not executing it. You're not trying it out. Someone says, I send around 2 lakh emails every day. So sending emails to 2 lakh contacts every day is a huge number. So the success rate of that particular company is going to be very, way higher than the person who is thinking and just registered the company and not doing anything about it. From various months, I have seen some companies who have established more than a year now, which is like almost like 600, 700 companies who are completely disappeared. I don't even they don't even contact us now. They don't even act anything. The only thing what they say is the thumbs up for webinars. They if we send any quotes on groups and all, they should give the heart, they give the like, everything. But none of them are have exported, because I've been seeing them from free webinars to paid webinars, everything. But none of them have succeeded is only because they have not taken action, or they never discuss something, the challenge what they have faced. They always come back to the questions where like, sir, how do I get a buyer? Okay, the buyer is fine, but tell me, what is the product? It's like, sir, whatever the buyers ask, I'll get you the product. It's not how the business works. So it's like someone comes to you and say like, sir, please fix the light or a laptop for me. Then it's like, okay, you got the laptop, okay, let me go and learn how to fix it. Then I'll come and fix it. That's not how the world works. You need to be expert in your industry, only then people come to you. So please learn those basic skill sets, understand the basic knowledge. Once you have the knowledge, start working the skill set on it. Whatever the skills is required. It could be negotiations, it could be communications, it could be writing emails, drafting, contracts, everything, legalities, compliances. These are all the skill sets that you need to be experts in. Not experts in the sense, not too. far away, but yeah, to an extent where you understand each and every aspect of it. So if you are able to build these things, and if you understand the concept of export import business, it's not about thinking, it's all about doing. What I know is not important, what I do is very much important. So if this mindset is very much clear for you, then obviously you have a business in hand, and whatever the product is, if the people need it, they will come and buy it. But the only thing is, how do you frame it? How do you cross sell it? How do you upscale it? That's all your skill set. That is something which you need to build, and various other skill sets which is already available on our platform, which is learn.jbeximacademy.com. So you can visit the website. The link will be in the description. If you want to build your skill set, the knowledge base, and with the practical knowledge, you can go ahead. You can take the knowledge as well as the skill, practice it, do it, and you can always meet me on every Monday at 7 p.m. in those courses for the people who have bought it. So, and apart from that, we are not here just for the commercials. We also support you in point of various other services, which is like consultations, buyer finding, supplier identifications, audit reports, background checks, sort of it, and we can even help you with the project fundings and all of it. So, if anyone need it, you can always there'll be a number in the description. Check on it. You can call to the number, or WhatsApp is very much active on it, so you can just WhatsApp and take all the informations whatever you need, and we'll be able to help you as much as possible, and however the way you need the services for. So when it comes to export business, it's not about alone walking through. It's like a group who runs with you. You build a business, you just don't build a business for yourself, you'll build a business around yourself. So there are hundreds of people which will directly or indirectly will be benefited with your industry or with your company, because you can feed the laborers, the packers, the movers, the legality, the CHAs, freight forwarders, laborers who are working on the ground level. So you're going to change everyone's life with just a small order, what you can get and what you can plan through. So you'll be contributing a huge thing for Indian economy. That's also something additional benefit. You're not doing anything directly to Indian government or Indian economy, but directly or indirectly, whatever the actions you take on exports is going to really boost our. It could be a small transactions, doesn't matter. Every small transactions from every individual Indians will contribute to Indian markets, Indian economy. So that's something which we should be proud of. So we take a pride on it. So, what I suggest is you please attend the free webinars, what we do. And if you're interested, going very serious on it, you can go ahead and buy the paid courses, and then you can meet us. And if you need any services, additional services, obviously everything will be rightly available. And we are the company who can provide you logistics, legalities, as well as your training, support. What you can completely rely on us when it comes to export import business, whatever you need it. From A to Z, we are right there for you. So you don't need to worry on, and get associated with us. And if you want to join the WhatsApp community, please, there will be a link in the description. Go ahead, click on it, and join our community. And you'll be stay updated with the trends, with the informations. Along with that, you'll be having the access to the free webinars. And if you want to paid, then the link will be also there, as well as you can contact to the WhatsApp number. So this is all what I wanted to share in this video, and it's my humble request: stop thinking, start doing. Don't worry, because it's all about the first start. You may be getting not comfortable talking to people and all of it. Doesn't really matter. Get bit uncomfortable. Don't stay in your comfortable zone. So come out of it. Start working. Start talking to people. You will build your own network, and then your network will make you money. So get knowledge, more knowledge, then build the skill sets accordingly what is required. Based on your skill sets, you can start executing, and you can later you can ask money for it. So that's the whole thing about being in this business. This is a beautiful business if you know how to build it. So right, so start doing, and whatever the supports you need, we are right there behind you. We are just a WhatsApp message away. You can just WhatsApp to the number +91 953 8888 656. That's a number which is in the description. Save us, save the number. Whenever you need it, you can just give a call back. You just can just give a WhatsApp message or a call. We can support you in whatever the manner is possible. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video. And we want you to take action to hit the subscribe button, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like this video, if we added some value to your life, please hit the like button. And if you want to share it to your loved ones, please do it. And thank you so much for watching this. Take care. Catch up in the next video. Till then, bye bye.